Up to here.
Up to here. So at the moment you feel it numb.
Yeah,
Okay.
slightly.
All
Probably
along.
two.
Okay, 2. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. So here.
Also unsere Patientin hat hier ein Taubheitsgefühl im kleinen Finger, das kommt und geht immer mal. Und jetzt ist es gerade nicht so stark, sondern so bei 2.
Yeah, and the doctor said that I have a disc hernia. So.
Und die Ärzte sagen, das kommt von einem Bandscheibenvorfall in der Halswirbelsäule.
Can I have this foot on the top? Okay, is it comfortable like that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so I'm using the method that I taught you yesterday, and I will explain after.
Ja, sie wendet also die Methode an, die sie euch gestern Nachmittag erklärt hat und wird nochmal auch darüber sprechen.
Well, it's getting better.
It's getting better already, you see? How is it? Yeah, it's getting better where?
Just getting less all along.
All along,
Yeah.
okay. Because you had also the last phalangeal?
No, it's hard to say.
Yeah, I know it's difficult. Okay, but here, is it still numb here? I know sometimes numbness is hard to...
It's getting better and better.
Better and better.
I think.
Okay, very good. Let me just do one more, because before you show me here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was,
Yeah, so I
yeah,
just...
it's still there. Probably one.
Probably one.
One
That's
left.
why I want to cover that place also.
Are you
Sorry.
okay?
Oh, yeah. I'm good. Thank you. Okay, and I just want to... Oops, that is that needle. Okay. Okay. Now you can move again a little bit. Yeah, and you tell us where do you feel the numbness?
It's almost gone.
It's almost gone. Okay. Is there any place that is not covered, or is just everywhere was covered and everywhere much less, or?
It's everywhere much less.
Okay, very good. Okay, so you know what to do. And you see, even if the doctor says that it comes from the disc, it doesn't matter actually. Okay, it doesn't mean we cannot treat it just by doing our 1, 2, 3 based on where do you feel the numbness. If you don't feel anything in the disc, there's no point to treat the disc. Okay? Thank you. Yes, wait for translation.
Sie sollte jetzt nach der Nadelung nochmal gucken, wie es sich anfühlt, und sie sagt, ja, das ist deutlich besser, auch überall deutlich reduziert. Und der Kind sagt, ja, du siehst, also ob das jetzt hier ein Bandscheibenvorfall an der Halswirbelsäule ist oder nicht, tut hier nichts zur Sache für die Behandlung, ja, für unsere 1, 2, 3 Behandlung. Solange du hier oben keine Schmerzen hast, braucht man das auch nicht mit behandeln. Und die Behandlung funktioniert trotzdem.
Give me 5.